Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'm going to tell you which deals that you can do in-store, which ones you can place as a curbside order. I have a promo code to share that will give you 10% off your curbside or online order. I did not have a great booster this week. My digital booster was spend 60, get 15. I decided not to do that, and I didn't have any paper boosters to pair it with, so I'm not going to give you a booster scenario this week. I'm also going to show you things that I found on clearance while I was in the store. Lots of great grocery deals that I'll talk with you about as well. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome. So glad you're here. In addition to sharing the best deals, I always try to share some of the best grocery deals going on if you enjoy picking up some of your groceries at Walgreens, because you can use your Walgreens cash to pay and that helps your grocery budget. Now, register reward deals you always have to do in store. You cannot do those as curbside orders anymore. You have to do those in store. So let me tell you about one of those this week is on the Crest products. I picked up the toothbrushes this time instead of the toothpaste, but you could grab either one at $3 each, get two of them. That's $6. There's a $3 digital coupon, so you'll pay $3, but you'll get back a $3 register reward, making them both completely free. Again, in-store only for this deal. The other deal that I did in store, I picked up these batteries because they were on clearance. So they were marked down to $3.99. I will include additional clearance pictures at the end of the video. There were lots of other batteries marked on clearance. There were also wireless earbuds that I almost bought, but I didn't. They were marked down like 70% off. So check out that electronics section if you're in the store to see what all is on clearance. Now, the other deals you would want to do in store, these are only if your store will not print a receipt for curbside. My store will still print a receipt with my curbside order because they scan the order with the regular scanner at the checkout. And so I still get a receipt. But if your store doesn't give a receipt, the Ibotta Deals you would want to do in store as well. So I did them online. I'm going to tell you how I did them. But these are both Ibotta Deals. The Purex crystals. These are $5.79 online price. I picked up two of them because they're buy one, get one free. So that's $5.79 for both. But there's $1 back on Ibotta, so you'll get $1 back on each of them. $2 back, which makes it $3.79 for both. But like I said, I placed it curbside, so I used the code WAG10, WAG10, which took off another 58 cents. So I paid $5.21 for both, got $2 back on Ibotta, making my final cost $3.21 for both of them, or just $1.60 each. Now, the Bumblebee Tuna, talked about this last week, still a deal you can do this week, 99 cents. If you use that code WAG10, it's going to take off 10 cents, leaving you to pay 89 cents. Get back 15 cents on Ibotta, making your final cost 74 cents, and this was a limit of 5. Again, if your store will not print a receipt with curbside, you would want to do these Ibotta offers in store. Super simple deal anyone can do. These aluminum foil, the 25 square feet, these are on sale for $2. So just $1 per box of aluminum foil. But if you do it curbside, use that code WAG10, it'll take off 20 cents, making it $1.80 for both, or just 90 cents each. Now, the 7th generation, talked about this one last week as well. Still a deal this week, but even better with that promo code. So buy two of these at $2.49, that's $4.98. That WAG10 code will take off 50 cents, leaving you to pay $4.48, getting $2 back in Walgreens cash for buying two of them. So that's $2.48 for both, or just $1.24 each. Another deal on household supplies, the Fabuloso. There's a number of different products that are $2.49. There is a $1 digital coupon. That WAG10 code will take off 15 cents, leaving you to pay $1.34. Now, of course, if we're doing these curbside, we want to go through Rakuten first because we're going to get additional cash back through Rakuten, and it's just one extra step to get additional cash back into our Rakuten account. Now, if you are brand new to Rakuten, it is an amazing deal. Join for free with my link below. When you spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 back in your Rakuten account. Amazing deal for first-time users. If you aren't a first-time user, we're just continuing to get that percentage cash back each time we shop through Rakuten. These are a great deal. These Kantu deep hair treatments. These are $4.48 for both of them. They're buy one, get one half off. So when you pick up two, it's $4.48. That WAG10 code is going to take off 5 cents, making your, because it's taking off after the digital coupon comes off. So there's a $4 digital coupon that'll come off first, leaving your final cost to be 48 cents. So that WAG10 is taking 10% off of that 48 cents. So it's going to take off 5 cents. And that's going to be 43 cents for both of them, or just 21 cents each. And this is super cute to add into like a little beauty gift basket. Now the Tresemme is even better deal this week than last week. You can pick up two of these at $2.79. That's $5.58. There is a $5 digital coupon that will come off, leaving your cost to be 58 cents. But then that WAG10 code would take off an additional 6 cents, making your final cost 52 cents for both, or 26 cents each. Now, food. I think food is all that's left. I love it when the Old El Paso products are buy one, get one free. The taco seasoning is $1.79, buy one, get one free. So that's $1.79 for both. But if you place it curbside, you're going to get another 18 cents off with that code WAG10, leaving your final cost to be $1.61, or just 80 cents each. Now, I don't know how long that WAG10 code will last. I just know it was working for me today, Sunday, when I used it. The Old El Paso hard taco shells, $2.99, buy one, get one free, minus the 30 cents for the promo code. You're going to pay $2.69 for both, or $1.35 each. Another great sale price is on the Simply Lemonade. These are 2 for $5. That code will take off 50 cents, leaving you to pay $4.50 for both, or $2.25 each, which is cheaper than my grocery store. And you can use your Walgreens cash to pay for all of this stuff if you're not using a spend booster. The nice cashew halves and pieces, these were on sale for $2.99. Of course, you can use that WAG10 code as well. And then y'all know I love ginger ale, and I haven't had it in so long. Like, I just haven't seen a great price on it, so we haven't had it in the house in a while. But these are 3 for $4. Not a bad price. Even better when we use that promo code WAG10, because it's going to take off 40 cents, leaving my final cost to be $3.60 for all 3 of them, or just $1.20 each. The old stock up price used to be $1, like 3 for $3 was a great price. I haven't seen them that cheap in a while, unfortunately. So that's everything that I got. Like I said, I did not use my spend 60, get 15 booster. Maybe later in the week, if I decide to think about it harder, I'll try to use that. Check in your account. I had a spend 25, get 7 on different wellness products, and someone had asked last week, like, hey, how are you using that? I didn't put together like a coupon breakup for that, but my husband takes Sudafed pretty much every day, and so I went ahead and bought 3 Sudafed. I think they were $9.99 each, so that was just like short of $30. And then I got, I used a promo code on that one too, because I did this last week. I think I used the Pickup 15 was the code I used. And then I got $7 back for spending at least $25 on something that I would have been buying anyway, that was cheaper than what I would have paid at the grocery store. Now, if you're doing deals in store, of course you can use your register rewards to pay for these. If you want to do it online, you can use the promo code plus going through Rakuten to get an additional % cash back into your account. Now, if y'all have any questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down below. My son and I finally filmed the birthday freebies video yesterday, so get excited about seeing that. Hopefully it'll come out this week. I just need to edit it and get it uploaded. I talked to y'all about doing like a my favorite things video, and so I started writing down all of my favorite things, and then in the meantime, I hit 20,000 subscribers, so my brain got to thinking. I started contacting the companies of my favorite things, and I'm like, hey, I'm doing a video talking about my favorite things. Your product happens to be one of my favorite things. I'm gonna talk about it one way or the other, but if you wanna do like a giveaway for my followers, I would love that. They would love it. So I'm working on trying to put together a few like giveaways in that video. So give me a couple more weeks for that one because I'm still talking to different companies trying to get either discount codes for you guys or giveaways for you guys. But they did not contact me. I contacted them. These are brands that I love already or products that I love already. And I reached out and said, hey, I love your product. I'd love it if you wanted to share something with the people who follow me or a discount. So that's coming, so be excited. I am excited for that. All right, y'all have a great week. Bye.